Zach Lofton, buhay na buhay, gising na gising. 6 3-pointers. Almost cost them 2 baskets there. A bad pass first.
Here we go again. Oh, yes.
Oh, yes. Percent from the 2. 41 points in total. He's firing. Ito yung putting Amores on skates, baby. And then step back 3 for Lofton. He followed it up with another one. Leads some Almazan, Maliksi. Pati si Diego Dario naka-score na rin. Meralco.
Yeah.
13 puntos na nga. Baker does it all by himself. It's a 4-point lead.
Ito naman. Ito ang sagot ni Lofton. They know his moves. And this guy. Miles Powell.
Yeah.
The way he plays. Look at the way he moved away from the defense, suspending himself in midair, and getting the basket and a 3-pointer. Talagang nalagay sa alanganin dito ang Northport and Lofton.
Brand new right now. Screen comes from Almazan. Doesn't take it. Goes the other way. Gets the basket to go. At then pagkakat.
What a slow start para sa kanya. Only 5 points in the first quarter. But now, nakakate. In mid-range is Diego Dario. What a dish. And that's a score for Zach Lofton.
Point lead. It's 86-62. Lofton will attack. Just quicker. And this period has been the one. Look at that. Oh, what a shot! Points already.
At ito, nakaka 90 points na nga ang Meralco. Look at that move by Zach Lofton. The surprise package. No longer a surprise.
Oh.
But what a package.
Yes.
A special arrangement. Meralco will be playing in Macau. Oh, I tell you, this guy's not finished. He's got 18 points now. But Lofton has the ball. Looking for number 50. There it is. There it is. There it is.